Is your Game Stick Lite 4K controller not working? Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. Step 1. First, check the batteries in your controller. Replace them with new ones if needed, and make sure they're inserted correctly. Step 2. Now, we start your Game Stick Lite device. Simply unplug it from the power source, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Step 3. Next, repair your controller. Press and hold the home button on the controller until the light starts flashing. On the Game Stick Lite screen, go to Settings, Bluetooth, search for Devices, and select your controller. Step 4. If it still doesn't connect, try using the USB dongle that comes with the Game Stick Lite. Plug it into the device's USB port, and the controller should connect automatically. Step 5. Final. If none of these steps work, reset your controller by holding the home plus back buttons for 10 seconds, then try pairing again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.